News coming in from Bihar. As many as 16 people have died due to heat-related deaths in a matter of 2 hours in Bihar's Aurangabad, and that's because the maximum temperature broke all records as it touched 48.2 degrees Celsius. Let's listen into what the authorities have to say.
व्यवस्था सब जितने भी व्यवस्था है लू की वो सब हमारे तरफ से, हमारे डॉक्टर की तरफ से दिए जा रहे हैं।
कितने एडमिट है?
35 अभी एडमिट है। हमारे साइड से न डॉक्टर्स की कमी है, न आइस पैक की कमी है, न दवा की कमी है, न किसी प्रकार की कुछ कमी। कूलर की कमी, मैंने अभी प्राइवेट से कूलर मंगवा लिया 5 बड़े जाके देख सकते हैं लगी हुई। अगर कंटिन्यू ऐसा कल जो था 48 डिग्री था, आज 46 था, अगर कल भी 40+ हुई तो बहुत ही भयावह स्थिति होगी कल औरंगाबाद में।
Remember, Aurangabad happens to be part of the central Bihar. In that particular region, the Aurangabad district and the Gaya and Jahanabad district, the adjoining district, there is a dry spell of heat wave. So that becomes even dangerous as per the Met Department. And that was the reason which actually caused this disaster, what we have witnessed in Aurangabad yesterday. Around 50 people were brought to hospital from various parts of the district, and they were all the heat wave patients who were affected by the dry spell of the heat wave, and 16 of them unfortunately lost their life. There are many who are still undergoing treatment over there, and the team of doctors have been deployed. Additional team of doctors have been rushed to Aurangabad to manage the situation. The officials of the local administration, they are all camping there, and they are hoping that the weather would bring some respite today and the situation would improve.
And staying with news as far as the heatwave conditions are concerned, let's get you a check on the temperature here in the national capital. And there has to have been a slight improvement when we talk about Mungeshpur, which recorded 52.9 degrees Celsius, which the IMD is not even sure if it was perhaps a malfunction of the monitoring system or not. But in the last 24 hours, Mungeshpur has recorded 49 degrees. That's 9 degrees above the norm. So is the case in Najafgarh. The temperature there has touched 49 degrees, and that's 8 degrees more than it should be for this point in time. Jafarpur, 48.2, but more than that is Pitampura area of the national capital at 48.4 degrees, 8 degrees above the norm. We have Tanushka joining us. Tanushka, what kind of directives are in place when we talk about, the Delhi government? Of course, the LG has blamed the Aam Aadmi Party for not really doing anything as to the situation, which seems to be very, very grave. It is very severe as far as the heat wave situation is concerned, with temperatures 8 to 9 degrees more than they should be for this point in time. And even though there might have been a gradual difference in the last 24 hours, but that really doesn't make that the temperatures would perhaps go back to normal. They'll just be slightly less, but still way above what's usually expected at this point in time.
Right, yes. So the temperature bracket that the temperatures are varying from into are 45 to 49 degrees Celsius. This is what the IMD says. And what we also know right now is that, yes, the temperatures in Delhi have soared up to 50 degrees Celsius, while the IMD has not confirmed the temperature that was recorded at Mungeshpur at 52.9 degrees Celsius. But in other parts of the city, temperatures have definitely soared up to 50 degrees Celsius. And while the IMD also says that heat wave conditions are likely to prevail in certain pockets of the city, severe heat wave conditions are not grappling the city anymore. And in these kind of weather conditions, the IMD at the same time still says that there might be some respite with dust storm or thunderstorms every day throughout this week. So this is the 7-day forecast that the IMD has come out with, in which there is also a forecast for light drizzle as well as today, even for tomorrow, especially over the weekend. And but at the same time, what is interesting to note is, while there is some hope for respite this way in terms of light drizzle, temperatures are not likely to go down. The temperature recorded yesterday at Safdarjung station was at 45.6 degrees Celsius. At other pockets of the city, the temperature rose up to 49 degrees Celsius. For today, the forecast of the maximum temperature is at 44 degrees Celsius. However, like every day, it is likely to go further above, a few notches above. And in these sort of conditions, the IMD still maintains that it is not feasible, it is not advisable to go outside, to stay outside for prolonged hours, especially under the sun, to avoid any heat exposure, because those who are vulnerable, infants, pregnant women, senior citizens, these bracket of people especially should avoid being in the sun. and as it will lead to heat-related illnesses. While we know that in Bihar and in Rajasthan there have been a lot of heat-related heat stroke deaths that have been caused. In Delhi there has been one such heat stroke death earlier in the week. This was a 40-year-old daily wage earner from Bihar itself, and he was admitted to the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital where he succumbed to a heat stroke as he was running a temperature of 107 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Back to you.
Well, Tanushka, like you mentioned, one needs to protect oneself from the heat wave situation in the national capital and the northern part as well as central parts of the country.